Another beautiful morning. This is the third day of our camping. Let's check the beautiful garden at the backyard. These are farm chickens. Unfortunately, few of them will go on today's menu. At this point, we are now preparing the woods for our outdoor kitchen. The boiling water will be used to clean the chicken later. This reminds me of our country lifestyle when I was a kid. This machete is what old men used to carry on their waist in our barangay. Meanwhile, let's have some breakfast. Now it's time to catch the chicken. At the background, we've dispatched the chickens and removed their feathers. This is what a farm chicken meat looks like. It's so lean. The process of cleaning is a bit tedious to make sure that the native smell is removed. Half of this will turn into adobo and the other half will turn into tinola. These are the ingredients for tinola or chicken soup. Now let's start cooking tinola. First, we put the oil. Then we will saute the garlic, onion, ginger, and lemongrass. It's been 4 years since I had a farm chicken, that's why I'm very excited with this. Next, we put the clean chicken meat. It is very important that we saute this slowly and let the oil come out to achieve the best flavor. I need to cut more woods as the farm chicken meat normally takes time to soften. When it's ready, just add some water and let it cook until the meat is tender. As a final touch, I added salt for seasoning and marunga leaves and chili. On the other side of the house, Anne had prepared the adobo. This is the banana cue that Anne had prepared a while ago. Kids love it. Let's say grace and join us for lunch.
Then we pray.
Amen.
After the sumptuous lunch, and since it is a nice day, let's go swimming. The beach is so pristine and this place is stunning. Stay tuned and let me give you a virtual tour. We had so much fun in this trip and I hope you join us again next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.